So we're about to install exhaust on the STI. This is the OEM one. We got a straight pipe. I think it's a full 3-inch, and it's from Remark. And then he also got some agency power unequal length headers coming in. And there's the BRZ. So I did order bags, but something happened that it didn't process or something. So I'm going back static life. I said fuck it, fuck the bags. I'm just gonna get coilovers. So fuck it. Alright, so we're gonna take out these 2 bolts right here. And man, that should literally disconnect everything, bro. And then all you need is like hangers over there and shit. And I think we should be good. These 2 right here, and these 2 is for the muffler. You take off that muffler. It'll be easier to take off this the fucking hanger, so you could take off the mid pipe. There's a hanger up in here, and then a hanger on this side, like towards the front. So there's actually 2 on each muffler, and then 1 holding the mid pipe, and then you should be good. Alright guys, so here it is, the fat ass fucking. This is 1 muffler compared to my hand. Like, that's a fat ass muffler. The other one is straight pipe, so no muffler. Alright guys, here's the new section for the mid pipe. This is 3 inches. It's 3 inch all the way back, and I think towards the axles, to the axle back is like 2 inches, but then it goes back to 3. And we're about to install this. Instead of using the donut gasket, I think you're supposed to use this regular gasket. Take off the spring bolts and just put regular bolts, because this should fit it perfectly. Yep. So I'll let you guys know when we're done. Alright guys, we already hooked it onto the, I don't know if the STI is the same as the BRZ, but I think this is a front pipe on the STI. But we already connected it. And right now we just put in the hangers right there. Well, there's 1 hanger. We put it right there. We're just gonna bolt on the rest. And I will show bolt on the rest. We're gonna put the gaskets. And I will show you guys how it looks right now when we're off the bottom, because it's getting dark. This is the finished product. Turn it on. ¿Está neutro? Damn! Sounds deep. Check out this exhaust leaks. That just sounds amazing! So I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I was gonna do an install on mine, but I got really lazy because it was after work. But look at those tips. Nice. There's gonna be more car content coming with the BRZ and the STI, right?
Yes, sir.
I was gonna get bags,
new
like I said.
coming in.
New what?
Cobb tablet.
Cobb tablet. Cobb tuning shit.
Yeah, the Cobb.
Oh, but I was gonna buy the car as I said earlier in the video, but something happened with the order and shit. I just decided to get coilovers and go static. Fuck it. Fast boy shit. Just kidding. I know everybody's all here like, Jersey's no fast. Then race me then, fool. Yeah. Alright then guys. See you guys in the next one. Latest.